Hey guys, it's Laura from Majestic Cupcakery, and today we're making hot chocolate cupcakes with a secret chocolate centre. As you can see, we have our large mixing bowl and we're adding 112 grams sieve self-raising flour, 45 grams cocoa and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Then we measured 175 grams caster sugar, and then to that we added 60 millilitres of vegetable oil. And 1 egg. If you're a better baker than Beth, then you'd remember to add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract here. Then we're adding 125 millilitres milk, and 125 millilitres boiling water. And then it's time to whisk it all together. We love this recipe because not only does it give some lovely moist chocolate cupcakes, but it's also super simple, all in one recipe, so it really makes life a lot easier. The recipe makes about 8 cupcakes, but if you feel like you need more, then feel free to double the recipe that's in the description below. The mixture is intended to be really runny, so we recommend using a jug, as you can see, to save yourself a huge mess. Put them in the oven, about 160, for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a skewer comes out clean. Once cool, we take an apple corer to take out the centre of the cupcake. Don't go all the way to the bottom, because otherwise you'll end up with a donut. To that we're adding a thinned out ganache, the recipe for which you can find below. And that is our secret chocolate centre. Then we're piping rounds of buttercream, alternating between our vanilla buttercream, into which we've crushed some chocolate biscuits for an added texture and flavour, and our chocolate buttercream. We pipe them into rounds so there's a little gap for the marshmallows which we're going to add. You can add as many as you like. Here at Majestic Cupcakery I happen to love mini marshmallows, so that's why there's a load. Then with the leftover ganache, pipe down a little bit of a drip on the side of the buttercream to add just a little extra sweetness. Then add a couple more marshmallows because, well, why not? And there you have it, our fabulous hot chocolate cupcakes. If you have a go at making them, don't forget to tag us on Instagram at Majestic Cupcakery to show us your creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!